Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Lisa. So today I'm going to do a little process video. I have this traveler's notebook that's totally blank, and I thought I would go ahead and decorate it with the items in my last video where I unboxed the travel train set for your creative studio. So I'm going to do this mostly without talking. I'll have some music playing in the background. I am going to take this sticker sheet here and make a cover. I'm going to design the cover and see how far I get and maybe design some pages. So I hope you enjoy the video, guys. Thanks for your support, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
Just when I think I've learned it all, I see your face and down I fall. I can't explain, so let's pretend that I'm content being your friend. I'm afraid that you have no cure, just distractions to keep me near, and from running out the back door. I cannot forget the things you say. Back when our story was clean, every time the feeling is the same. When your name shows on my cell screen, just as I start to catch my breath, you pull me on for one more death. They say there's nothing like your first, even more so when you're their worst.
I think pessimism sucks, but right now I'm pessimist. Open about it. I'm also hopeful. And there's two of me, which seems like it would clash a lot, but it's actually really harmonious because I'm like stable-minded. And I realized that hypocrisy is human nature. I'm a hypocrite, you're a hypocrite, they're all hypocrites, we're a hypocrite. It's okay. It's just what happens.
Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the process. So I showed you on camera how I decorated the cover. And then I just put one sheet of the sticky paper here in the inside cover. That's it. I didn't do any other decorations. And then throughout the journal, I just put some stickers and washi tape, leaving me plenty of room to do journaling on my travels, have some trips coming up. And it was just basic decorating using everything that I received in the box. Nothing too earth-shattering. I try to leave a lot of the white space here in the journal so that I can have plenty of journaling space, and there's still many more pages to decorate. So I'll probably bring a stash with me when I go, or when I'm on travels, paste in some of the local places and sites that I visited on the rest of the pages. So if you're interested in seeing the full unboxing video, I'll leave that linked above so you can watch that. I did that the other day. It was a beautiful box by Your Creative Studio. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Have a great one. Bye.